So how do you make a man happy? Well, if you're a woman, you already know the answer to that question. You make a man happy by finding out what he likes and then giving it to him. So if he likes chicken wings and mashed potatoes, then you make him chicken wings and mashed potatoes. And if he likes college football, then you make sure not to schedule anything during the big game. If he likes you in tight jeans and a tank top, then you rock those skinny jeans. What you're doing is you're proving to him that you are the perfect fit for his fantasy woman. You're everything he's always wanted. But will that make him happy? Hi, I'm Amy Waterman, a dating and relationship expert with yourbrilliance.com. And in this video series, I give you the short answer to love's biggest questions. So here's the truth that we all know, but we somehow manage to ignore. Trying to make someone happy is one of the least effective ways of making them happy. And given how much of our lives we spend trying to make people happy, that could come as a bit of a shock. So what should you be doing instead? How can you bring more happiness into the world in the most efficient and effective way possible? Simple. You invest in your happiness. Your pleasure and joy is the quickest route to making a man happy, but it only works if you're not faking it. So here's the science behind it. Number one, mirror neurons. One of the most exciting discoveries in recent decades is the discovery of what's known as mirror neurons. These are brain cells that actually mirror the actions and emotions of people we're observing. So if you're watching an actor on screen start to cry, chances are you're going to feel a little teary yourself, right? You're going to pick up on that emotion. That's your mirror neurons in action. So if you want someone to feel something, your best bet is to express that feeling yourself. If you want him to feel happy, then you smile and laugh. You do a little dance. Just being happy isn't enough. You've got to show it in order to activate his mirror neurons. Number two, happy wife equals happy life. So you've heard that saying, right? Happy wife, happy life. Well, it turns out there's actually some really sound science behind it. A study found that people who feel happy with their life also tend to feel more intensely in love with their partners. So if you're not happy with your job or something about your life, then you may not feel as in love with him as you would otherwise. Another study looked at couples who had been married for about 40 years, and it found that the happier the wife was with the marriage, the happier the husband, even if he wasn't satisfied with the marriage. Number three, he wants to please you. So the problem with being the woman he wants is that you don't get to be yourself. He doesn't get to know your needs and desires. You are withholding parts of yourself from him. A man won't commit to a relationship unless he believes he can make you happy. That's non-negotiable. So if he doesn't get the chance to make you happy because you're too busy focusing on him, then he's not going to feel confident about having a future with you. So tell him what you need to be happy. Do what you need to do to have a life you love, even if it's not always convenient for him. Expect him to make accommodations for you. He will feel happier knowing that he's made you happy than if you had bent over backwards trying to make him happy yourself. For more dating tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you've got questions you would like me to answer, let me know in the comments. See you next time.